Hello, bata. Ano ba to? Itong regalo ko para sa iyo ay inspired ng kabataan natin.
Naku,
Hindi ata ito matatapos, ha? Mga bagay na hindi mo na-experience sa Pilipinas dahil maaga kang umalis. Gusto ko kahit papaano, maranasan mo pa rin yung mga uso at memories ng panahon na yon. Sa lahat ng to, hindi lang ito basta regalo. Mga alaala to ng kabataan natin. Noon hanggang ngayon. Mahal kita at sobrang saya ko na makita kang ikakasal.
walang ligawan. Pwede, ako rin ang-propose. Joke, hindi naman.
Never thought, baby, when you see you will. But I love you still. I need you. I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup. Don't break my heart. I'll be over at 10. You told me time and again, but you're late. I wait around and then I run to the door. I can't take anymore. It's not you. You let me down again. Baby, baby, try to find a little time and I'll make you happy. I'll be home. I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Why do you build me up, buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and then worst of all, you never thought, baby,
Our wedding is finally here. Here's a little reminder that at the right time, God will make it happen. Thank you for waiting and choosing me to be Mrs. Dominguez. See you in a bit. I love you. You're welcome.
I'm a toy, but I could be the boy you adore. If you just let me know. Although you are true, I'm attracted to you all the more. Why do I need you so? Baby, baby, try to find a little time and I'll make you happy. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Why do you build me up, buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and then worst of all, you never call, baby, when you say you will. But I love you still. I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. I need you more than anyone, baby. You know that I have from the start. So build me up.
Hindi pa. Kahit magulo na ang mundo. Kamay ngayon, kamay ngayon. Ano yan, ayun. Kaya ka. Oo, ito yung song. Like this. Hello, man.
Ano po, pumunta siya sa UK para mag-propose.
Sabi ko po kasi wag munang mag-propose hanggang hindi pa namimit yung parents ko. So pumunta siya sa UK para i-meet yung parents ko at doon siya nag-propose.
Aba? May paganyan na. Hello, Dote. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko to sisimulan. Kasi kahit ngayon, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na nandito na tayo. Kakasal na tayo
Dati, akala ko, okay na ako sa kung anong meron. Hindi ko ini-expect na darating ako sa ganitong punto ng buhay.
To my dearest dancing queen partner, my best friend, partner, and now my husband. My husband. I have always wondered how it feels like to get married. I no longer need to wonder because God gave me an answer to a wandering soul. And mine, and that is you. You saw me when I felt invisible. You heard me without saying anything. You loved me when I gave endless reasons not to. I asked you to walk away so many times because long distance relationship is hard. But of course, so far away. I was always trying to find the purpose of our long distance relationship as I was losing hope as 6,776 miles is hard to feel. But you stayed all alone and you waited for me. That brought us here.
Lumipas man ng maraming taon, mahalaga ay kung nasaan na tayo ngayon. Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan natin, since distance, sa LDR, magkaibang buhay, inalakayan natin, ako sa Pilipinas, ikaw sa UK. Pinagtapo ulit tayo para sa isa't isa. Hindi ako perpekto, alam kong marami akong pagkukulang at pagkakamali. Hindi rin ako sweet. Madalas ka na high blood sa akin. Pero sa kabila ng lahat, pinipili mo pa rin ako sa araw-araw. At para doon, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo.
Angelo, do you take Angel her present to your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother the Church?
I do.
Angeline, do you take Angelo her present to your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do!
And there goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean.
I vow to give you my life and my everlasting love. Thank you for giving me a happy ending that I thought just exists on fairy tales. Our love story has to be my most favorite because you're in it, and I will not have it any other way. Finally, you have completed my missing puzzle. I have been searching all my life.
Sa magulong mundo ngayon, kahit malanggas, kahit ano ang problema, ikaw pa rin ang payapang hinahanap ko. Pangako ko sa'yo, di man tayo sabay pinanganak, sabay naman tayong tatanda. Haharapin natin ang lahat ng ups and downs, pagsubok ng buhay. At susunod na kabanata ng ating buhay, sana maging mabuti tayong magulang sa ating magiging anak. Bubuo tayo ng pamilya na puno ng pagmamahal at respeto at saya.
I vow not just to love you, but to choose you every single day. I'm very excited as we will turn the next stage tomorrow. I love you and I will always love you, no matter what happens.
I love you, Buzz. Thank you for loving me, for choosing me, and for staying. Habang buhay, ikaw at ako. I love you.
The reason I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna hurt no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, you are the reason. Closer, just a little closer. Come a little closer. I need you to hold me tonight.
am not worthy to be loved, as I am difficult, and actually prepared myself to be alone for the rest of my life. But then I met you again. There you was. My high school classmate who became my best friend, my constant, my destiny, who allowed me to be vulnerable and be myself. You saw and understood all parts of me that's hard to understand.
You are the reason